Channels like Cosmic Lens are posting cinematic planet videos. They are gaining millions of views. Yeah, it costs $0.
Jupiter is not just a planet, it is a monster, and strictly speaking, it shouldn't even exist. It reminds us that the universe is not made for us.
So today I am gonna show you exact step-by-step workflow. Step 1. ChatGPT Master Prompt. Open ChatGPT. I built a master prompt specifically for this. You only need to fill in 3 things. How long you want the video, how many scenes, and which planet. That's it. Copy paste it and hit generate. ChatGPT gives you every single image prompt, scene by scene, already formatted, already ready to use. Now here's a bonus move. If you want to recreate the style of a specific video of Cosmic Lens, just drop the YouTube link directly into ChatGPT and say, analyze this video and describe each scene so I can generate matching images. It reverse engineers the whole visual style for you. Step 2. Generate images in Nano Banana Pro. Take those image prompts one by one, copy them into Nano Banana Pro inside Google Flow. It's free, it's inside Google's platform, and the image quality is genuinely cinematic. Generate all the scenes, keep them in order, you will need them later. Don't rush this step. If an image looks off, regenerate it. Your final video is only as good as these scenes. Step 3. Images to video settings. Still in Google Flow, go to images to video. Select your images, pick your ratio, horizontal for YouTube and vertical for shorts. Choose how many options you want to generate. Now this is the most important setting in this whole workflow. Select Veo 3.1 quality, not fast, quality. Fast gives you a rough output, quality gives you cinematic look. I am talking about depth, motion and atmosphere. The kind of thing that makes people stop scrolling. Big difference, don't skip it. Convert every image into a video clip. Back in Google Flow, for each scene, load your image, paste in the exact prompt ChatGPT gave you and generate. Do this for every scene. What you will have at the end, a full library of cinematic clips. Consistent style, consistent quality, all matching. Before you touch the editing software, do not skip this step. This is what separates a boring space clip from a video people actually finish and share. 11 Labs for voice generation. Open 11 Labs, browse the voice library. You want something deep, calm, a cosmic documentary narrator. There are several free voices that hit that tone perfectly. Paste each scene script, hit generate, and once it's finished, hit download.
Jupiter is not just a planet.
That's a professional, really high level narration for free. Last step, open your editor, Premiere, CapCut, whatever you are comfortable with. Drag in the video clips, sync your voiceover to each scene and add cosmic background music. If you want that deep space look, you can do some color grading, push the blues and teals, crush the blacks. It adds depth instantly. So now just export it and your video is ready to watch. That's the full workflow and you can repeat this for any planet, any cosmic subject or any style. Here's the tip that actually get these videos shared. Pick a planet with a story, like Saturn's rings, Jupiter's storm, Europa hidden ocean. People don't just watch space videos, they watch mystery. Give them something to wonder about. Drop your planet in the comments and I will tell you exactly which visual style to go for. And if you want to see another free AI workflow in action, I just posted a video where I built an entire house from scratch in 60 seconds. Same, no fluff format. Link is right here. Subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one. I added the master prompt in this video description so you can copy paste the whole thing and get started in under 5 minutes.